IB Maths is
Question
easy.
9. Show that even A and D are not independent. So the property of A will be 0.7. The property of B will be 0.85. So the property of A multiplied with the property of B will equal to 0.7 multiplied to 0.85, which is 0.595, which is different with 0.65, which is the property of A and D. Sorry, this is D. So A and D are not independent. Now we have all the information to draw a Venn diagram. So A and D is 0.65, A is 0.7, so this is 0.05. D is 0.85, so this will be 0.2. So the outside is 0.1. Find the property of A and not D. So A and not D, so it will be 0.05. Given that the passenger on time, find the property that the flight does not depart on time. So property of not D given A. This will equal to the property of A and not D divided by the property of A, which is 0.05 divided by 0.7, and we have this will be 1/14. A normal distribution with a mean of 25, missing the standard deviation, but given that 90% less than 28. So I will use 0.9 left tail, and the x will be 28. So we will have the z-score is 1.28155 equal with 28 minus the mean, which is 25, divided by the standard deviation. So from that, the standard deviation will nearly 2.34. D. Find the percent that the both pilots flew more than 30 hours last week. So first we need to find the CDF bigger than 30. With the mean 25 and the standard deviation 2.34. So it will nearly 0.016343. So both pilots, so this probability will swell up. So 0.016343 square, which is nearly 0.000267. Or you can write 0.0267%. Question 10. Find the value of K, given that UK is 31.2. So the common difference will be the difference between second term and first term, which is 0.1. So UK will equal to U1 plus the common difference, which is 0.1 multiplied with K minus 1. So just put a number in. So we have 31.2 equal with 1.3 plus 0.1 multiplied with K minus 1. Open bracket and solve for K. K will be 300. Find the exact value of SK, which is S of 300. This will be the first term, 1.3, plus U300, which is 31.2, divided by 2 and multiply with 300. So we will have is 4,875. Let F be the sum of the terms which n is not a multiple of 3. So show that F equal to 3240. So the first term is 1.3, the second is 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and continue 1.8, 1.9, and continue to 31.2. Okay, so I will find the sum when n is a multiple of 3. So this term, and continue until this one. So I have another arithmetic sequence with the first term is 1.5. The common difference now is 0.3. So now I need to find the order of 31.2. We have 31.2 equal with 1.5 plus 0.3 multiplied with m minus 1. So m will be 100. And I will find s of that 100. So 1.5 plus 31.2 divided by 2 and times 100. So I will have, it will be 1635. So to find f, I will use the sum of the first 300 term minus 1635. So f will go with 4875 minus 1635, which is 3240. D. Find the largest value of A such that sum to infinite of this geometric sequence must smaller than f. So the first term here is A, and the common ratio will be this one divided by this one, which is 1 over square root of 2. So sum to infinite will equal to the first term divided by 1 minus the common ratio. and this must smaller than f. So minus 3240 smaller than 0. I put this one into GDC. So a must smaller than 948.97. So a will be 948. And we are done.